Assalamu alaikum, grade 4 students. Open your Oxford Modern English. Hold your pencils. Today we will do some more exercises on book. Open page number 7. Question number 2. It should be done on your book, okay? Say whether the following statements about the story are true or false. As you know, we have read the story carefully. So now you have to answer these questions by telling that it is true or false. It is about the story. The first is Tommy and Anika live next door to Pee. Yes, it's true. Write T in this box. The monkey was wearing an orange tie. No, it's false. Pee's shoes were too small. No, it's also false. Tommy was very shy. No, it's also false. Pee walked home backwards. Yes, it's true. Write T in this box. Pee invited Tommy and Anika to breakfast. Yes, it's also true. Now come to the next page, page number 6. Exercise B, working with the words. Now we have to read these statements or passages, and next we will make the sentences of these words or phrases. The first is stepped out, had no idea, wondering whether, grow into, gathered, it must be admitted, remarkable, you can be sure, politely. Now what we have to do is we have to make the sentences of these words on your notebook. Exercise B, working with the words, page number 6. Use the following words and phrases from the passage in sentences of your own. The first is stepped out. The helicopter touched down on the pad and the president stepped out. Had no idea. We had no idea where he had gone. Wondering whether. I was wondering whether you would like to come to the theatre with me. Grow into. It was like watching a spark grow into a flame. Gathered. Miss Clara gathered her papers and smiled up at him. It must be admitted. It must be admitted that we were unable to answer all the questions. Remarkable. She had made remarkable progress. You can be sure. You can be sure that your new computer will have USB ports. Politely. She politely asked her mother for permission, which was granted. Okay, make these sentences on your notebook. Write neat and clean. Okay, now open page number 7. Exercise C, learning about language. Participles. You know about the participles? It is same like verb or action. Just see the next column. Break, show, go. All these are the verbs showing some action. What we have to do is we have to tell the participles of the next tense. The first is break, broke, broken. You can write it on your book also, or you can do this on your notebook. Show, showed, shown. Go, went, gone. Cheat, cheated, cheated. Stream, streamed, streamed. Hear, heard, heard. Say, said, said. Spread, spread, spread. Okay, now exercise C, question number 2. These are the words they have given us. Now we have to use in our own sentences. Write this on your notebook. Break. He has broken the glass by hitting the ball. As you can see, we have used the word but used its next tense. Break, broke, broken. He has broken the glass by hitting the ball. Show. My friend has shown her gift on her birthday. What we have to do is use all the words in the end columns in sentences. The third column, words are these, and we will make sentences of the third column. Go. My team has gone to play the match. Cheat. She cheated during the exam. Stream. The broadcast channel was streamed at night. Hear. We heard the news of holidays. Say. She said that she had gone out of the town. Spread. The fragrance had spread all over the room. The spelling, it's S-P-R-E-A-D, spread. Okay, now come to the next page. Exercise C. Now the next exercise is exercise 3, articles. Do you know about the articles? Yes, we have discussed it earlier. And the. These are the articles. What does it mean? What are they? How they are used? The articles are the words that's and the. They precede the nouns or they come before the nouns according to their positions. Now there is a paragraph. They have given these spaces and ask us to use these articles where they are necessary. Once upon a time, there lived a king who was a fine man. The kingdom he ruled was very large, and all the people who lived in it. All the people who lived in it were happy and prosperous. One day, a great flood of water came pouring down from the mountains and swept away the palace and most of the city. Many of the people were drowned, but the king sent his army and carried some of them to high ground. In this way, he saved many people from death. Okay, now exercise. It's exercise, I think, C, question number 4. Okay, what you have to do is use who or which. Join the following sentences with who or which. Remember that we usually use who for people and which for things. This is the dog which has a strange name. This is the bin which the dog tipped over. This is the teacher who told the boys to be quiet. These are the children who are throwing water at us. This is the fence which they looked over. This is Mohit who lives next door. This is the cat which comes into our house every night. Now, question of exercise, question number 5. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. As we all know, noun is the name of anything. What we have to do is we have to underline the nouns. The first sentence is, once upon a time there was an old man called Ramesh. There are two nouns in this sentence, man and Ramesh. Underline them. One day he took his dog and went to the forest. You can see the dark colored are the nouns. Underline them. Day, dog, forest. Suddenly out of the bushes came a fierce tiger. Ramesh was afraid, but his dog feared no man or creature. It took one step towards the tiger and barked. Ramesh stood with his back against a tree. Soon the tiger ran into the forest. Ramesh went home and told his wife about their brave pet. Well done, she said in a loud voice, and the dog wagged its tail. Okay, now exercise D on your book. There is a listening and speaking on the book. Read the given words aloud on page number 8. Now open page number 8. There are the words which are written on your book. You have to read it aloud. There are all form story you have read. Mark the stressed labels. Then say the words aloud again. Always, other, never, lovely, playmate, summer, morning, realized, looking, admitted, monkey, backward, lying, little, widest, considering, enough, shoulder, indeed, wicked, angel, moment, courage, remember, continued, breakfast. Read them again and again. Okay, complete all the exercises on book and notebook. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.